with publication, education for excellence.
Chapter 8 E-commerce. You will learn in this chapter the features of e-commerce, traditional commerce versus e-commerce, advantages of e-commerce, disadvantages of e-commerce, business models. E-commerce or electric commerce is a methodology of modern business which addresses the needs of business, organization, vendors and customers to reduce costs and improve the quality of goods and services while increasing the speed of delivery. E-commerce refers to the paperless exchange of business information using the following way: electronic data exchange (EDE), electronic mail (email), electronic bulletin board (EBB), electronic fund transfer (EFT), other network-based technologies. Features of e-commerce. E-commerce provides the following features. Number 1. Non-cash payment. E-commerce enable the use to credit cards, debit card, smart card, electronic fund transfer via bank websites and other modules for electronic payment. Second, 24/7 service availability. E-commerce automated the business of enterprises and the way they improve services to their customer. It is available anytime, anywhere. Number 3, advertisement and marketing. E-commerce increase the reach of advertisements of products and services of businesses. It helps in better marketing, management of products and services. Fourth, improved sales. Using e-commerce, order of product will be get generated anytime, anywhere without any human intervention. It gives a big boost of existing sales volume. Fifth, support. E-commerce provides various ways to provide pre-sales and post-sales assistance to provide better services to customers. Number 6, inventory management. E-commerce automated inventory management report get generated instantly when required. Product inventory management become very efficient and easy to maintain. Number 7, communication improvement. E-commerce provides a way of faster, efficient and reliable communication with customers and partners. Traditional commerce versus e-commerce. The difference between traditional commerce and e-commerce are: traditional commerce first and we can say the e-commerce second. Heavily dependency of information exchange from person to person. Information sharing is made easy via electronic commerce. Communication channel making a little dependency on person to person information exchange. Communication transactions are done in a synchronized way. Manual inventions in required for each communication or transaction. Communication or transactions can be done in a synchronized way. The whole process is completely automated. It is difficult to establish and maintain standard practice in traditional commerce. A uniform strategies can be easily established and maintained in e-commerce. Communications of business depends upon the individual skill. In e-commerce, there is no human availability of uniform platform as traditional commerce depends heavily on personal communication. E-commerce website provides the users a platform where all the information is available at one place. Advantages of e-commerce. The advantages of e-commerce is broadly categorized into three major categories. Advantages to organization. Number 1, e-commerce helps organization to reduce the cost of to create, process, distribute, retrieve and manage the paper-based information by digitalizing the information. Number 2, e-commerce improve the brand image of the company. Number 3, e-commerce helps organization to provide better customer service. Number 4, e-commerce helps to simplify the business process and make them faster and efficient. Number 5, e-commerce reduce the paper work. Number 6, e-commerce increase the productivity of organization. It support pull type supply management. In pull type supply management, a business process start when a request comes from a customer and it used just in time manufacturing way. 7, organizations get ordered from one part to the another part of the country and out of the country also. Advantages to customer. It provides 24/7 support. Customer can inquire about a product or services and place order anywhere, anytime, at any location. Number 3, e-commerce application provide users with more options and quicker delivery of product. Number 3, e-commerce application provide user with more options to compare and select the cheaper and better option. Number 4, customer can put review, comments about the product and can see what others are buying or see the review of the comments to the other customer before making a final purchase. Number 5, e-commerce provide an option of virtual auction. Number 6, it provide readily available information. A customer can see the relevant detailed information within a second rather than waiting for days of the weeks. Number 7, e-commerce increase the competition amongst organization and as a result organization. Number 8, no cash is required. The banks and other financial companies provide credit card and loans to buy the product on credits and EMIs. Number 9, products are delivered at doorstep to customers, which saves the times and money and energy. Number 10, as we order the product and if we dislike the product, in e-commerce provide a facility to return the product also. Advantages to society. Customers need to travel to a shop a product, thus less traffic on road and low air pollution. Number 2, e-commerce helps in reducing the cost of the product, so less affluent people can also afford the product. E-commerce has enables the rural area to access services and products which are otherwise not available to them. E-commerce helps the government to deliver public services such as healthcare, education, social services at the reduced cost and in an improved manner. Disadvantages of e-commerce. The disadvantage of e-commerce can be broadly classified into two major categories. Number 1, technical disadvantages. There can be a lack of system security, reliability or standard owing to poor implementation of e-commerce. Number 2, the software development industry are still evolving and keeping the changing rapidly. Number 3, in many countries network bandwidth might causes issue. Number 4, special type of web servers or other software might be required by the vendor setting the e-commerce environment part of the network server. Number 5, sometimes it has become difficult to integrate an e-commerce software or website with existing application or database. Number 6, there could be software hardware compatibility issues as some e-commerce software may not be compatible with an operating system or any other component. Second, non-technical disadvantages. Initial cost. The cost of building an e-commerce application in-house may be very high. There should be delay in launching an e-commerce application due to mistakes and the lack of experience. Number 2, user resistance. User may not trust the site because unknowing face seller. Such mistake makes it difficult to convince the traditional users to switch from physical store to the online and virtual stores. Number 3, security privacy. It is difficult to ensure the security and the privacy of online transaction. Lack of touch and feel product during the online shopping is drawback. Number 5, e-commerce applications are still evolving and changing rapidly. Number 6, internet access is still not cheaper and inconvenient to use many potential customers, for example, those lives in the remote villages. Business model. E-commerce business models can generally be categorized into following categories. Number 1, business to business, B2B, business to consumer, B2C, consumer to consumer, C2C, consumer to business, C2B, business to government, B2G, government to business, G2B, government to citizen, G2C, business to business model. A website follow the B2B business model, sell his products to the intermediate buyer who then sell the product to the final customer. An example, a wholesaler places an order from a company website and after receiving the consignment sell to the end product to the final customer who comes to buy the product at one of its retail outlet. Examples of such websites are Walmart, Indian Mart and Alibaba.com. Business to consumer. A website follows the B2C business model, sell its products directly to customer. A customer can view the product shown on the website. The customer can choose the product and order the same. The website will then send a notification to a business organization via email or phone, and the organization will dispatch the product or goods to the customer. The examples of such model is Amazon, Flipkart, Snapdeal, etc. Consumer to consumer. A website following the C2C business model helps consumer to sell their assets like residential property, cars, motorcycles, etc. or rent a room, or by publishing their information on website. Website may or may not charges the consumer for its services. Other consumers may have option to buy the product for the first customer or viewing the post. Advertisement on the website, for example, are OLX, eBay, Magic Bricks, Shopee, etc.
With publication, education for excellence.